So, you want to start investing? Good for you. But where to begin? With countless investment apps out there, it can feel like wading through a financial jungle. Today, we're tackling one of the popular options, Acorns. Let's dive into what you need to get started. Now, I know what you're thinking, investing? Isn't that just for rich people? Nope. Investing is for anyone who wants to grow their money. And Acorns is one of those apps trying to make it easier. But before you dive in, let's talk about the basics. What do you actually need to get started with Acorns? First things first, you need to be a legal resident of the United States. Sorry, international friends, Acorns is currently US only. Next up, you gotta be at least 18 years old. It's like getting a driver's license for your money, you need to be old enough to take the wheel. Okay, so you're a legal adult living in the US. What else? Well, you'll need a valid social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. This is for identity verification and tax purposes. It's like your financial passport. Now, let's talk about money. You'll need a bank account linked to Acorns. This is how you fund your investments. It's like setting up a direct deposit for your future self. And while you don't need a minimum balance to start, remember, the more you invest, the more you can potentially earn. Here's where Acorns gets interesting, roundups. This feature lets you round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. It's like finding extra change in your couch cushions, but instead of spending it on snacks, you're investing it. Smart, right? To make the most of Acorns, you'll need to provide some basic financial information. Things like your income, occupation, and investment goals. It's like filling out a personality quiz for your money. This helps Acorns recommend investment portfolios that align with your financial situation and risk tolerance. Now, Acorns offers different subscription tiers with varying fees. It's like choosing between economy, business, and first class for your investment journey. The more you pay, the more features you get, like tax loss harvesting and portfolio rebalancing. But don't worry, you can start with the basic plan and upgrade later if you need more bells and whistles. One important thing to remember, investing involves risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results. It's like gambling, but with less glitter and more spreadsheets. So, do your research, understand your investment goals, and don't put all your eggs in one basket. So, to recap, you need to be a U.S. resident, 18 or older, have a social security number or ITIN, a bank account, and be willing to share some basic financial information. And remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't expect to become a millionaire overnight. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.